Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M6 Pro, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and swipe up to turn off your device. Once that happens, you want to then hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the Poco logo on the screen, let go of the power button. As you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. In here you will need to use volume buttons, either up or down, to navigate respectively, up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. We don't have very many options in here. We have reboot, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, which just consists of factory resetting your device, and the option to connect with Mi Assistant as an application. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, reboot, then select reboot to system, and like I mentioned before, this will just bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.